How to track orders in AliExpress. Hey everyone, it's me Jessica from Create Login and Delete. If you have placed an order on AliExpress and want to track its status, then follow these simple steps. First of all, open the AliExpress app on your phone and make sure you are logged into the AliExpress account. Now, simply inside the AliExpress, you will get to see My Account option available at the bottom right corner of your screen. Just to let you know, I do not have any orders placed on my account, but I will definitely show you the steps where you can find your track order option in AliExpress. So make sure to follow it. Now, once inside my account, you will get to see shipped option available there. Here you can find the list of orders you have ordered from the AliExpress which has already shipped so that you can track its order. You can simply tap on this shipped and select the order you want to track, and there you can see track order to see the real-time tracking updates. If your order has not been shipped yet, you will see awaiting shipment, and once shipped, tracking details will appear. So that is it. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe our channel, and thank you so much for watching.